Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to carve text vertically in Photopea. Let's begin. Create a new layer and type any text. Wait for a second. Type any text. Example, type text. Okay, then click the move tool, transform control, resize the text, and again double click the text or ARC vertical. Okay, again press again select text warp ARC bend. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.